Okay, YouTubers, back with the new shop truck. It is, I'm guessing probably 3:45, if not 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Started working on this at 9:30 this morning, getting her cleaned up. As you can tell, it did shine up pretty decent. Tires all clean. Even got the motor cleaned up quite a bit. Is it done yet? No. Ran out of a lot of my detailing stuff scrubbing on this thing. Still needs a bit more work, but I think, as you can tell, it did clean up nice. Even the interior cleaned up nice. Try not to get ran over here. Still need to get a tailgate though. Still need to fix brakes. Let's see what. Gotta love the third door. If anybody paid attention to the video yesterday, or the one earlier today, this had hay all over the inside, grease, dirt, rocks, gravel, you name it, it was in there. But still, like I said, $500 for a 99 Z71. Granted, yeah, got rust. Tires got some weather cracking on them. But did come to find out this thing is all-wheel disc brake, so that's kind of a plus. But you know, like I said, 4 months sitting in a pasture, and then go from one part of the state, extreme southern part of the state, to extreme northern part of the state, and not being driven to. Brake lines will be fixed tomorrow and it'll be on the road tomorrow. Cannot complain one bit at all. Still got to replace the windshield. I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not. Got a big crack all the way across. Dash is all clean. Got the stereo working, as you can hear. Put a couple of U-joints in the front drive shaft, fixed the brake line, give her a tune up, and I'm on the road. So subscribe, view, leave comments, what you think, any ideas of what you guys might do to it or like to see done to it. Just remember, it'll be on the cheap, or I shouldn't, budget, cheap, budget, however you guys want to say it. Depends on if you're talking to your old ladies or if you're doing it on without them knowing. So, like I said, leave me comments, ideas, and as money comes in, maybe we'll do them. So, have fun.